They're like almost translucent, it's that thin. You curious about this 9-inch PAUDIN Chef Knife? Look at this thing. It is a piece of artwork. Look at how nice this is. This is so comfortable in my little mitts. Before I start carving things up with it, let me show you one of the cool things that I really like. I love this sheath that comes with it. It is so easy to use safely, so you can store it, not cut yourself up in the drawer, which is always a good idea. It slides right out. What do you say we put this to work? So I'm outside reviewing a brand new smoker, and I thought as part of that, I'm gonna try to make these special burgers. And with special burgers, you need onions, right? Except you don't want tons of onions, you want some nice thinly sliced onions, which should be perfect for this. So let's just go right to it. Let me cut off the end. Oh man, this is good, dude. Talk to my dog who's watching very anxiously, looking for some burger more than onion. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Hold on 1 second. Oh man, look at that. They're like almost translucent, it's that thin. That is like perfect for me. I know some of you guys like the big chunky onions, but I really just like, I want a little bit of onion flavor. I still want it to taste like beef, not onion. So anyway, let's make one more. Oh, that is so good. All right. So I have to say, overall, especially if this is a gift because the packaging is so cool the way it comes, this is a phenomenal piece at its price range. It is so good in your hand, cuts so well. It is legitimately a beautiful piece of metal. You can't possibly go wrong. So if you want one of these, there's a link right here on the screen or down in the description. If you use that, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps out the channel a little bit, lets me get more toys like the smoker outside so I could do reviews of that. I'm gonna say thank you in advance. Remember to like and subscribe while you're down there. And if you have any questions about how to use your beautiful new knife, let me know, put it in the comments. Hope this was helpful. See you next time.